What are the best entities for you to form? The first one would be a sole proprietorship, and that one is the easiest to form. It gives you the ability to run a business as yourself. It's typically used if your business is just like a side hustle or multi-level marketing type of a hustle. But it allows you to be able to fill out a Schedule C with your tax return that takes the income minus whatever expenses, and then you pay tax on whatever's left. The second one is an LLC. And an LLC, depending on what the situation is can be either treated as a sole proprietor. You have to have a business bank account and you need to have a formal operating agreement in place. But an LLC can either be, if it's a single member LLC, it's treated tax-wise exactly the same as a sole proprietorship. Whereas if there are multiple members in the LLC, like you have partners, let's say, then it's automatically a partnership, which is a separate tax return, and then each partner will get a K-1 as a result of filling out that tax return so that they get their percentage of the tax burden on whatever the company has made. The S corporation is a small business corporation. It's probably the most popular way to incorporate a business. It does require an operating agreement as well as a corporate book and some other legal things that go alongside it to make sure that there's that veil built between the corporation and the principals in the corporation. So, and then there's a C corporation, and C corporations come along with double taxation concerns because owners in the corporation of a C corporation don't take distributions, they take dividends typically, which are taxable as unearned income. And then most times the principals work within the corporation as well, so they're also on payroll. So there are some concerns with that, and it takes some tax planning to kind of mitigate that double taxation piece.